Ebonego nabase ebonego sabab idam sabab kidi sabab mama shake it shake it
Welcome back again to my channel. Yeah, if this is your first time, my name is Shison. This is a vlogger based in Pakistan. Welcome back again. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Help me to share, like, comment, and all those good stuff. You know how we do it here. To my OGs, so I'm in my kitchen again as always. I'm preparing to make a pepper soup for my client's birthday today, which is this evening. But I'm still watching the cow stripe. And the cow stripe, as we call it in our country. Yeah. So I want to show you guys what I'm doing. And also I want to ask some questions based on this cow stripe. Because a lot of people say that in Nigeria we do cook it like that without removing some of the bag that I'm removing now. But I don't think I can eat it without washing it like this as I'm washing it right now. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. These are the ones I've already washed. I soaked it in hot water so that it can be easier for me. Now, if I want to wash it now, I'll just use my knife and scrape the back. Yes, I'll just scrape the back. I will just remove the back. But some people do not remove this thing, they eat it, but me, I cannot. Yeah, I do scrape out this thing. You see how it's easier to remove when soaked in hot water. So I want to ask you guys, do you remove yours or you cook it like this? Do you remove yours as I'm doing now, or you cook it like this? I just want to know how you do yours, because this is how I do mine. So tell me in the comment section. I'll be waiting to hear from you guys. So after this, it's not only this cow stripe that I'll be using. I'll also be using cow head, which is outside. Yeah, I'll use cow head. Then I also use cow intestine, which is afan head. So it's assorted pepper soup that I'm cooking today.
Lord, I join the Akwa Ibom people. As I say, you are the Obong no Obong. You are the Endidem. And I join the Kalabari people. As I call you the Tamuno, the Watemegbo, Wayanagbo. I join the Ikwere people. As I say, you are the Akagbajurigwe. You are the Jinemeido. I go to Okone land. I call you the Madamuto, the Dumbenata. Lord, I join the Urobo people. As I say, you are the Orowa Koneche. You are the Elegbete. And I speak in Edo language. As I call you the Oban of Soba, the Ogenosoki. And I join the Hausa people. As I call you the Serikin Sarakuna, you are the Ubangi Jibete Tonduniya. Lord, I go to Benue State. And I call you the Ojo Oyako Yomayoku, the Ojo Bogagu. Father, I go to Ibira land. And I call you the Okokoko, the Ogodogodonovo Summit.
Most of people will say this is what makes the cow stripe to be sweet. I beg you, if you want to cook your own like this, you are free to do so. After all, you have been eating it like this and you didn't die. If you want to do yours like cook it like this without removing this thing, you are totally free to do so. This is how I do mine, so I'm not forcing you to follow my own method. I'm just doing my own. So I'm done washing the cow stripe. This is the final look. Like, it's so sparkling. It's so sparkling. For you to achieve this, you have to boil water first, hot water, then soak it in for like 10 to 15 minutes before scraping it, if you want it like this. Yeah, so this is the final look. Done washing. About to wash the cow head now. Yeah, I'm also going to use hot water to wash the cow head. That's how I do my own. Yeah, so let's continue.
Many hours later.
Hi guys, I'm back again. So this is the meat. I'm about to start preparing the pepper soup. So first of all, I'm going to spice this meat. This is assorted meat, goat, hey my god, cow head and the cow stripe. Then I'll still add intestine. Yeah, everything is here. This is assorted cow beef pepper soup. So let me show you guys the ingredients that I'll be using to make this. I'm making this with love. I don't watch this meat up to 20 times today. At this point, you people should call me Osan One. Osan One. So let me show you guys my ingredients. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Yeah, this is dry red chili, red pepper. This is Cameroon pepper. I'm going to blend them together with this crayfish. Yeah, using this crayfish, I'll be using ginger. Yeah, what is your pepper soup without ginger? Me, I don't know for you. I do use ginger to cook my pepper soup. Onions, this last salt pepper soup spice, hey, this is the only thing you need to cook your pepper soup. Like, all the ingredients you need is here. Both oziza, shang, what you go for the pepper soup is packed up in this spice. Last salt pepper soup seasoning. I so much love this thing. Like, I so much love this pepper soup spice. This brand, they're so good. They know what they are doing. Like, hey, if you want your whole environment, like, if you want everybody to know that something is happening in your house, if you want everybody to know that you're cooking pepper soup, just add this spice. Add this spice. Then another thing is this ehulu. This is Tiger brand ehulu, which is African nutmeg. Yeah, I'll be using it. Then final one is this oziza leaf. I'm supposed to add inshamu, but let me just, inshamu is here too. Yeah, inshamu is here. So let me add this oziza leaf since I'm not using the oziza seed. These are all the ingredients I'll be using. So let the cooking start. I can't wait to devour this pepper soup. Hey, don't tell why I shop pepper soup.
Doing crazy dreaming.
Dow. The kind of aroma coming out from this my kitchen. Hey, it's a dow something. The pepper soup is pepper soup. Let go. Hey, let me show you guys. Let me know if I'm going to be adding more ingredients to it or just leave it like that. Hey. It's a dough. Enough water to drink. That is the sweetness of the soup. Enough pepper. Every other thing is there except salt, so I have to add salt to it. So I don't know if I'll be back again or ending this video here because the video is already long. So maybe I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, thank you for your like, for your comments, for everything. Thank you for your support. I so much appreciate it. Yeah, so this is the end of this video. Please like this video, comment, share if you can. Yeah, help me share if you can. Thank you. I see you all on my next video. Bye. This pepper soup is so sweet, so bring your plate. Let me put for you. Mwah.